You know, Josh should start trying to be a little more like me.
Drake would be so much better off if he acted more like me.
I mean, if Mom or Walter tells him he's not allowed to do something, he listens to him.
When a parent tells you no, you gotta respect that, but Drake just does whatever he...
Who is this guy?
Who?
You!
I'm Dave.
What are you doing here?
I don't know. I just bought a new webcam, hooked it up, and turned it on. Is there a problem?
Yeah, you shouldn't be on this screen.
This is a private channel.
So how do I turn myself off?
I don't know.
Get out of here!
But I want to stay.
All right, fine. Okay, but I'm just gonna keep going anyway.
You better keep quiet, Dave!
Okay, let's see, Oh, Josh always has to be little Mr. Perfect.
But, Drake just thinks that no matter what he does, he can just...
Okay, this is ridiculous.
Josh out!